Hey guys, this is ccnaguy5202 and we're going to be doing Lab 251 in the LAN Switching and Wireless book. So let's go and get started. Alright, this is mainly about still port security again. Nothing. A lot of this stuff you don't really need to do. It doesn't count towards this grade, but I mean, you can go ahead and do it if you want. It's just basic stuff. You don't really have to delete everything and reload it, I guess. I mean, you can if you want. Go for it. I mean, you definitely need to know how to do this stuff, but and the commands are the same on a real Cisco router. But I mean, if you already know how to do it, then go ahead and skip through this. Skip again. All right, so let's go and switch. Enable config T. Do the host name S1. All right. Line con 0 password. Gosh. Login, line VTR015. Password Cisco, login, exit. Enable secret class. We're going to create the VLAN 99, exit, and then set the IP address for VLAN 99. It's already shut, but you can do no shut again. I mean, it's already open, but you can do it again if you want. Let's see. Now we gotta assign F01, F08, and F018 for access to VLAN 99. So INC F01, switch access VLAN 99, exit, INC F08, switch access VLAN 99, exit, INC F018, switch access VLAN 99. Alrighty. I'm going to set up the default gateway. IP default gateway 1. Exit. And configure the stuff for PC1 up here. 172.17.99.21 to /24. And the default gateway. Same as a switch. Let's go and configure PC2 as well. Even though I'm not even going to use this, they were wanting to demonstrate the MAC address sticky and violation shutdown, but it's kind of pointless, really. 172.17.99.22 /24 as well. It's just showing the MAC address of this PC2. Since it's different, it would create a shutdown on the switch port of F018. But I mean, it's going to be you're going to end up switching back to PC1, so it's just kind of pointless. Cisco 72.17.99.11. Alright. Now, you don't really have to do this. They're just going to make you undo it, so it's pointless. Showing the MAC address tables, they're just going to make you undo that as well, so pointless to do that as well. Now you got to configure port security on S1. So config T, INC F018, switch port security. Here's the commands. You might want to do a switch mode access. I don't think it really matters though, but you can. Switch mode access, switch port security. MAC address sticky. Actually, go ahead and misspelled violation. Go ahead and switch the switch port security max. Go ahead and put that to 1 because you're gonna end up doing that anyways later. So I think the rest is you just gotta ping from PC 1 to switch 1. So it's going to send a packet right there, and you should go up to 100. And there we go. This is ccnaguy5202, and thank you for watching. Alright, continuing with the LAN switching and wireless book. This is chapter 2, where I'm going to be doing 0203 packet tracer. This is basically about port security, configuring it, and a few new commands I'll show you here in a minute. Now they want you to, instead of using this is going to be locked, so you got to use a little hyper terminal or console cable. Go and do yourself a favor and switch this to PC2 fast Ethernet. Alright, so let's go ahead and log in to the router. Desktop terminal, okay. Cisco enable class config T. Alright, so it says enable port security on fast Ethernet 5 and a few guidelines. So we're going with INT F05 switch port dash security. That enables port security. I think the actual full command is switch port security. So it's switch port security. I just shorten it and do switch, but it's the same thing. It doesn't matter. Now it says maximum allowed value secure MAC address is 1. So that means they want you to only do switch port security max 1. Alright, and then switch port security MAC address sticky. That means it learns MAC address automatically to the running configuration. Alright, and then the port should automatically shut down if there's a security violation. This is switch port security violation shutdown, and then exit. Now it says it wants you should probably ping you can just send a packet from PC1 to R1 and it should go up to 70%. Alright, and then what are we missing here? Oh, we need to shut down the 3 more ports. So the ports that aren't used, it's a security risk if you leave ports open that you shouldn't have open that doesn't have security on it. So we're just going to do it INT range F02 through 4 shut down, exit, do R, and that's 100%. Thank you guys for watching.